Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Dan the T-Shirt Guy, and welcome to the Never Show. And it's Thursday, and you know what that means. B-Wheels! Damn, I'm loud. Yeah, headphone warning, a little late. Okay. Alright, a Poon Run. Author's comments, no. G. Oka. Irresponsible Bob is our playable character. Okay. You got this figured out. Dun 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 splat push. Right. Oh, what? Meow. Bark. Keep going, keep going. I heard the victory sound. You didn't hear the victory sound? I heard the victory sound. I heard the victory sound. Yeah, there's a Poon in Bob's head. But I heard the victory sound. That's a win. Next game. Killing Billy. Kill Billy. With any choice. 5 or more. Well, I don't raid. Blaster 06. Segway Bob is our playable character. Alright. That's a victory. Let's see if we can do. Yeah, throw the ball. Billy is still alive? What the hell, man? Seriously. Jelly, Spike, fall hard. Jelly, please play this level. Ear sexy. I think they're just trying to mess with me now with names. Seriously. We're going to go with Bob. Bob's king of Spike Falls. Thought bailout was Z. I forgot. Okay, restart level. We couldn't cheat. Couldn't cheat to win. Easy, good, awesome. Better than Jack. Oh, just if you haven't heard, I am the king of Agario. I made it to #1. Now, all of you out there are going to say, but you only blah, 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 blah. No. I made it to #1. I held it for 5 minutes, 58 seconds. If you can do better than that, and you can post pictures, which pictures are on my Twitter, then call me in the morning. Okay? Better than Jack, king of Agario. Oh yeah! Extra menu. The Saw game. Die! Ha ha ha! The Smashing Gamer. The Smashing Gamer, okay. Segway Bob is our playable character. Try to survive. Let's play a game. I count that as a victory. Okay. One more. Pogo Fight Extreme. Welcome to my second Pogo Fight. It's longer, extremely hard. I couldn't even pass it if I got a feeling I put too many words in my games, like, right? Now, I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy it. I really hope. Jacksepticeye plays this would be so cool. Always a booster. Alright, we're playing a Septiceye level. Okay. He destroyed my window, but I'm going to totally jump over him. Oh, dang my balls! Shut up! I know it hurts! Oh! I know, you have a sword in your balls. Bob, just relax. Or play dead. Well, as you can see, this is the end. I made it to a Grundy Craner. Dear Lord. Can't do any better. I don't feel like doing any better. So this is Dan the T-Shirt Guy, and this is the Never Show, where you never quite know what I'm going to do next. And it's the only show with lemon-scented limes, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!